talking to Pramod Tiwari, a lot of other Congress leaders have also come out and reiterated the demand for the Prime Minister to chair this all-party meeting himself. Let's listen into some of them.
24 अप्रैल को हमने मांग की थी कि सर्वदलीय बैठक हो। उसी दिन सर्वदलीय बैठक बुलाई गई थी। हमने ये भी उम्मीद की थी कि प्रधानमंत्री उसकी अध्यक्षता करेंगे, पर किसी कारणवश प्रधानमंत्री मौजूद नहीं थे। कल की सर्वदलीय बैठक अत्यंत प्रभावशाली और ताकतवर और जो निर्णायक ऑपरेशन सिंदूर हुआ है, उसके बाद ये पहली सर्वदलीय बैठक होगी। तो हम उम्मीद करते हैं कल प्रधानमंत्री इस सर्वदलीय बैठक की अध्यक्षता करें। हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री कल आएँ इस सर्वदलीय बैठक में और सभी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से बातचीत करें, उनको विश्वास में लें।
As today there is an all-party meeting, as Raksha Mantri is going to brief all of the leaders there, but as the Congress party had earlier also demanding, do you think that Prime Minister should also be there?
Yes, we have been requesting the Prime Minister should attend this meeting. The world should see that India stands together and is speaking in one voice.
I think Prime Minister should. I don't know why Prime Minister is shirking from this. I mean, frankly speaking, it's not a, I would say it's not a good gesture. You should. This is time we look for leadership from whoever's been elected by the people. So I think he should show that leadership. You know, anyway, that's his choice. You know, I can't impose any decision onto that. But I would say that the all-party meeting loses its luster and importance if it's only addressed by the Defence Minister.
देखिए, आज ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग में जब पहलगांव में हमला हुआ तब एक ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग हो गई। उसमें शिवसेना हम लोग शामिल नहीं थे, इसलिए कि हम चाहते थे कि पहले एक्शन हो जाए, पहला बदला लीजिए, कुछ कीजिए, बाद में आ जाएंगे। आप हमें बताएंगे ये हो गया, ऐसा हो गया, एक्शन की बात नहीं है। अब एक्शन हो गई है, भारतीय इंडियन आर्मी ने एक्शन ली है। अभी हम बात करेंगे और हमें गर्व है कि इंडियन आर्मी ने ऐसी एक्शन ली है कि पाकिस्तान अगले कुछ सालों तक सो नहीं पाएगा।
Colleagues Pragya and Niyamika continue to be with us. Also, Pradeep is joining us. Pragya, coming back to you, this is an unfortunate case of partisanship which is coming up between political parties at this point, at a time when the message needs to be sent out that all political parties are united with the government in India's fight back against Pak-sponsored terror, especially in the light of what's happened in Operation Sindoor. This demand of the opposition parties to have the Prime Minister chair the meeting himself is leaving a bit of a sour taste.
You're absolutely right. In fact, and the government has clarified in the beginning as well that this meeting is going to be chaired by Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh. And Rajnath Singh, being the defense minister, is the perfect top brass. He's a veteran and he's also a very senior minister in the cabinet to brief, the opposition parties on such matters. And not just him, but there will be Union Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah. There will be External Affairs Minister. There is External Affairs Minister Mr. Jaishankar who are present. So all the key ministries who have everything to do with Operation Sindoor, they all are present here to satisfy all the queries of the opposition. So the point that government is saying, if the whole point of this all-party meeting is that you ask us questions and we will satisfy your queries on this particular Operation Sindoor. And not just that, we are also taking you into the confidence, and this all-party meeting has been convened to have this confidence-building measure across party lines. The politicians of the country should be seen in tandem and also should be seen speaking in one voice against Pakistan that is perpetrating terror on the soil of India. So that is the whole purpose of this all-party meeting, and that purpose is achieved when Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh himself is chairing it. Even in yesterday's cabinet meeting, it was first Rajnath Singh who briefed the cabinet colleagues on Operation Sindoor, and after that, Prime Minister